it's Remy and welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to announce that I am going to be doing a 3-part series on this channel all around my birthday party that I just had last weekend. I lost my voice. I obviously had a very good time. So in case you guys missed it, I just turned 24 and I decided to celebrate this year with a huge party with all of my closest friends and family and just everybody that I love in my life. I feel like I'm in such a great place right now and I feel like this is gonna be the best year of my life, and I'm just so genuinely happy and thankful, and I just wanted to celebrate with all my favorite people. So yes, if you guys know me, I love a birthday party, and I actually threw a huge party 2 years ago. But actually, after the party a couple years ago, I saw so many comments from you guys asking if you could see behind the scenes of what goes into throwing a party like this. So I decided with this party, I would take you guys behind the scenes. I made a bunch of decor for the party, so I filmed that. Filmed everything that went into it, from the venue to the performers to just everything. And then of course, the whole getting ready portions. So I hope you guys are excited for this whole series. I love it so much. And the theme for my party this year was Remchella, because I'm basic and I love Coachella, but I thought it was so fun and I can't wait to show you guys the road to Remchella, so let's cue it.
Did you realize your birthday is literally in 2 weeks?
15 days away.
I'm not even kidding. I've probably had like 4 people ask me like, oh, I heard like, is Remchella happening? Because like Ashley asked, Taylor asked, and honestly I was like, I honestly don't know because I know it's coming up really soon, but I haven't heard anything, and I figured like you would tell me.
They like actually asked too?
Mm-hmm.
I haven't planned anything. I literally, it's in 2 weeks.
Well, when they asked, that's why I was like, I think so, but at the same time, I feel like I would know if like you booked something because you haven't told me too much. So
my problem is the yacht party was so big. I can't ever top the yacht party.
You can never top the yacht party.
I know. Okay, so maybe we just like already. No, it's never gonna top the yacht party. Okay, so like 2 weeks ago, I texted Tommy in the group chat between us and was like, Remchella idea.
Mm-hmm.
Never talked about it again. 2 weeks to play a party, and I leave this weekend. I'm out of town this weekend.
Oh shoot! I would call him and just say like, hey, realistically, can this happen in 2 weeks? It feels like you like aren't sure.
Okay, that's the thing. I haven't even fully decided if we're gonna do a party, and if we do a
you
party,
want to?
I'm just like, I do, because I love birthdays and it'll be so fun. But even the yacht party, like I had so much fun, but also throwing a party.
It's stressful.
It's stressful because you want to make sure everyone else is having fun.
If I was in your shoes, I'd be overwhelmed being like, I just need to decide and go for that.
Okay, decision.
So I think you should just call him right now, like literally right now, and just be like, hey, realistically, can this happen? Be so honest with me.
This is Abby.
Hi, can I please speak to Tommy?
One moment.
Thank you.
Hello?
Hi, Thomas.
Hello.
You have Alicia and Remy. Yeah.
Hello.
The whole pretty basic team.
Wow.
I have a question. Remember 2 weeks ago when I texted us in a group chat and proposed Remchella and then never brought it up again?
Yes, I recall.
Thoughts?
Are we bringing it up?
We're bringing it up right now. If I told you right now I absolutely want to do it, can we make it happen?
Yeah, I mean, we can make it happen. We just need to get going immediately. Location, guest list, how many people, foods, drinks. I think something like with a pool.
Oh, we need a pool with floaties.
Like we're doing
Like a
we're
roof.
gonna have some sort of like a Palm Springs type vibe,
Yes.
you know?
Oh, yes.
Living.
Yes.
Okay, we're also looking into rooftops here around downtown, probably Beverly Hills.
Oh my god, wait.
I said a mini Ferris wheel.
Oh my god, yeah, like, can we look into a mini Ferris wheel? I would live, love, laugh for a cotton candy machine. Or I think it was 3 years ago.
The
They had
Best Made
the
Mucho?
Best Made Mucho, yeah, the flower
The
letters
flower
could
wall.
say like
Yeah,
Remchella.
Remchella.
Remchella! Wait,
Wait, can we?
can we get a performer?
Why don't you just perform?
Oh, well, duh.
Well,
We
go
need an
to the main
opener.
act.
We need an
The
opener.
headliner.
We can reach out to Red Bull because
We
they
can,
work
like-
with you guys for your
Oh
great
yeah,
party.
realistically, who would you like want to perform?
Lewis the Child. Should I?
You should just DM them.
Should I message them? Wait,
No,
Tommy.
you just messaged them. Okay. Have you guys talked before?
Yeah, like
They'll-
occasionally
I mean,
on
they'll-
like DM.
just-
They follow
There you
me.
go.
Okay, so venues, and then I leave tomorrow, but I'll start looking too. It's gonna be good. It's gonna happen. I'm so excited.
It's gonna be great.
Yay! Okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh. It's happening.
Are you gonna DM Lose the Child? You should do it right now.
Should I?
Yeah, because we have 2 weeks.
What do they say now?
Well, then we'll have to find someone else. But like, you might as well try. Like, you might as well aim high and try.
I feel like if I don't get...
They've replied to so many of your DMs. Like, they're gonna see it.
They're like the only people that I would actually want though. So if it doesn't work out, is it lame to not have a performer?
No, I feel like it's
like normal.
yeah.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna try and we'll see what they say. Okay, this is good. Hey, I have a, oh my god, I'm so nervous. Hey, I have a random question. I'm throwing a birthday party in LA on February 8th or 9th and wanted to see if you guys would potentially be in town to perform at the party. If so, who could we reach out to? Thank you.
Okay, like I knew she was gonna do it, but I didn't think she was gonna do it.
I sent it already.
Well, you didn't even let me say if it was good or not.
No. Seems like Tommy's got it. Oh, I already got a venue. Possibility.
Oh
Okay, we're good. We're fine. Remchella on 3. 1, 2, 3. Remchella.
Remchella.
Hello guys, picking up the birthday video, Eli and I went to Sundance, had a great time, watched some movies, played in the snow. We're back in LA now. We got back yesterday. It is now T-minus 8 days till my birthday and T-minus, what is that, 9 days till the party. We have much to talk about with Tommy, and apparently he has prepared a presentation for us, so let's see what's in store. Oh, thank God it was you.
It was gonna be.
I don't know. This is the exact chair that I sat in when I took my initial meeting before hiring Tommy on as my publicist. So it's very special.
So I set up an appointment for us to go look at the 60 in Beverly Hills. They can remove all these lounge chairs so we have space all around the side.
Oh, I'm so excited. Chicken skewer. Oh, French fry cones. Let's do that. Churros are fun.
It's like
very
Coachella.
themey, right? Yeah, okay. Churros and cookies. Done.
Do we want to do, like, back in the little cabana area that's going to be like yours?
I'm not gonna just take pictures of what they have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See what you like.
Just like some pillows. That's so cute.
Yeah, we'll
I
do
wasn't
that.
there, but I saw the pictures.
And we can do that on the side of the pool. Then like red, pink, orange, yellow. Here?
Oh, photo booth.
That's not as much
and then
of
you're
a
not
glass or,
walking
like,
into
you're walking
it.
the
We did the
LED.
inflatable one. What's
You had the
difference?
inflatable one on the yacht?
Yeah, it was incredible.
How large was this yacht?
You missed it. I circled inflatable. Check.
I think it'd be good. We'll light the Remchella.
Yeah.
For Red Bull, you have to have 2 signature cocktails on the bar that include Red Bull.
Vodka pineapple juice and Red Bull Red Edition for Romy's Revival. And then Red Bull Coconut Berry Edition tequila, soda water, and lime juice for Meet Me at the Sahara Stage. Aren't those good names?
So cute.
Thank you. I was very proud of them.
Fun Boy said they can send this one.
That's so perfect.
I think they're gonna send 2 of this one.
Oh my god, yay!
And then this. This
Oh, I
one's ginormous.
love that.
Tommy's good. Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you. Yeah, get the jawline. So tomorrow we'll tour
Yeah.
the venue. Got the DJ.
Okay, that DJ's done. Photo, video are done. Yeah.
Yay! Okay, we're touring with Tommy. This is so pretty. Oh my god, sorry. Check her out. Okay. Just a nice view of the Rolex store. I didn't even know those existed. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, it's beautiful. So we've got Remchella balloons and flowers, DJ, photo booth. Okay, we're currently touring around, looking at the place. It's beautiful. Thomas has done a wonderful job while I've been gone. Great job.
Thank you.
Like on the guest list, I have like 80 or so right now. Ooh. Oh my god, Tommy, you did so good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hello everybody, birthday party is in T-minus 5 days. 5 days, everybody. We still have much to do. We're gonna try and craft some stuff today and just really hope for the best. But I wanted to check in and give you an update. Louis the Child has replied to me. I love them. They replied back, thank you for thinking of us. Sadly, we'll be out of town. Happy early birthday though. Smiley face. This easily could have been avoided had I just looked up their schedule. They probably have linked on their Instagram, but it meant a lot that they even replied to me in the first place, and unfortunately, there will not be a performer at Remchella because Lose the Child or Die, but it's still gonna be really fun and I'm really excited. We have seriously so much stuff to do, but I can't wait. That's my update for now, and I'll catch you guys soon, but okay, bye.
Hi, I'm Sarah. So Remy sent us on a little mission. We're here at Target and we're looking for some cute pillows for Remchella. So we have to see if Target has it going on. Do they have it, Eli?
I think so.
I hope so. Let's pray. Let's find out. I think we found it. They're perfect. They're so cute. She's gonna love them.
They just scream "rawr" when you see them, you know? I think we're in the kids section.
Oh, this is
Oh, little superhero. Whoa. I wasn't expecting that. Ooh.
Got the boho vibe. Let's get two of everything.
We got a big budget today.
Oh.
It has like this little gold on it.
I think we got enough pillows from the cabana. You can honestly sleep in this cart right now. So let's see what else we can get.
So I guess they have candles already there.
I have nothing to use it for, but like I want it. Got our 8x10 frame for the drink menu. Remchella! Woo!
Also, these boots were not made for walking. They are so cute, but not the most comfortable. She's beautiful. I'm coming. Let the transformation continue. Dun, 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 dun. I definitely need at least like 2 of these. I'm gonna start with face stuff, primer, and then work my way through my whole makeup routine. Beautiful. Hangover RX. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Gonna go for Fenty. I am 310. Ooh, I'm excited, and my hands are so ugly. Lighter spray. I'm trying to be quiet because I don't want to get caught for filming in here, but oh my god, I'm having so much fun. On all my favorite hair products. Love me some IGK. This stuff is amazing. Also love Dry Bar hairsprays. They are my favorite. Where are they? Are they all? Oh, down here. Love the Sheriff. Always need some new dry shampoos. Best detangler I've ever used in my entire life. I swear, incredible. All right, guys, we got the bags. Secure the bags. Time to go. I'll see you in the morning. Hi, guys. It is 3 days before the party. It is currently the 6th. My birthday is really tomorrow, which is crazy. Today's my last day. This is choking me. Astro World is choking me. Oh my god, I'm in a mood today. I've got the space buns on. Yeah, today's my last day being 23. I feel like I need to do something crazy. But today is a day of self-care slash like prepping for the party, because I feel like there's always so much prep that goes into an event or a party or whatever. Right now I'm getting a spray tan because I know I'm naturally tanner, but I am like very pale for my liking right now. So I'm going to a place called Sugar and Bronze out here in WeHo, which I have never been to before. So I'm really hoping they do a good job. Sorry, my nose is all itchy. Yeah, I'm getting my lashes filled today because I haven't gotten them filled in a couple weeks. Sorry, this is really close. They are very grown out, really long, but for a couple weeks, I feel like I have a good amount left. They've been staying on pretty well, but I definitely need to get them filled because they are normally much fuller. My lash lady told me I have a lot of lashes. They're just shorter because I'm Asian. So that's happening. And then my nails are atrocious. We're gonna get my nails done. So yeah, let's go get a spray tan, shall we? Oh, can't wait. Just a beautiful day in Los Angeles. Oh my god, I love this. I'll do the express one.
Express, you just going home and chilling for the next 4 hours?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
This is nice. Check her out. Really dressed up for the occasion in my loose clothes. Woo! Already looking so tan. Wow. That went so well. In and out in like 20 minutes. I got the next one free. This is great. Leave this on for 3.5 hours and then I'll be a golden goddess. I think I'm gonna walk to the juice place actually and get some juice. Let's go see. Arrived at Creation. My favorite juice place ever. My favorite. Hi guys, okay, just made it. Came all the way over to the valley, got my lashes filled at MAP. Love them. We got the whole video filmed earlier. Now I'm heading back to downtown to get my nails done. It's been crazy, but my lashes look so good. I look crazy today. You guys, I just got to my nail salon. I'm with Perla, my favorite person ever, and she got me flowers for my birthday. I wanna cry. I'm getting my nails done. Okay, that's the update. A beautiful angle. Base buns checking back in for the last time. Got my nails done. They look so good. I'm walking home now. I love Perla. She's the best. She's honestly become a friend of mine and I love her. She's so sweet. Okay, number one, cute, but the top is a little too much for you two, a little too exposed, so this one's a no, but cute still. I love this one. Need to be snatched. I look like a penguin. Love this one. Can't fully zip myself up, but I love it. So me. I feel like a Flintstone. You guys, it is the day before the party. We have a dilemma. Everything is great. Everything is perfect. Everything's going to plan. Tomorrow night is a party. Everything should be perfect. The only last thing is my outfit, which is a very important part. And I'm stupid for waiting until now. So basically, I thought I had my outfit on lockdown. I got this skirt that I really, really liked, and it fit me well. It was a little big. I bought myself some safety pins to just like pin it day of. I was like, good. Then I got a matching top to wear. I got the top in a medium, and it fit me well, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna eat a lot on my birthday. I'm gonna need a little more room. So I sized up. For some reason, I don't know what went wrong. This is what it looks like. It is so big. It's sliding down. I don't know what to do. I don't know how. One size up. Please watch if I don't hold it. Oh my god. Well, this is the skirt that I really wanted to wear. I love it so much. I feel like this is perfect, and the top would have been so cute. I might call some tailors and see if they can do anything. I already returned the other top, so I can't even get it back in time, and nothing will ship by tomorrow for sure. So I have a few options. I can try and sew it myself, which I'm not a seamstress, so I don't think that's gonna be a good idea. I'm so sad. And I can also see what else is in my closet, which I think we're gonna start with that. Like, the other one fit me just fine. Part of me thinks maybe the other one was actually a small and I just didn't check the label, because this size difference, you guys, is absurd. All right, it's gonna be fine. Okay, we're gonna check. Oh, I have this top. This is what I wore to Coachella last year. Let me try this on. Oh my god! I'm sorry, I'm so annoying today. All right, guys, I think crisis averted. This is actually the top that I wore to Coachella last year on day 3. Granted, I'm not wearing a bra. I need to wear a bra under it, and I'm going to pin the skirt higher because it's like really, really stretchy. But I love that I don't have to buy anything new. I can return that top and get my money back, and it's Coachella reminiscent. I also know my body is literally like this. People make fun of me because I don't have curves. Trust me, if I naturally had them, I'd love it. I just don't. But I still like this fit. I think it's so cute. Again, I need to wear a bra. I don't know what to do for shoes yet. I love this. But yay, cute. I also have this one here because I think when I was buying this top last year, I bought this one from like a website in China, and I'm not kidding you guys. It finally got to my parents' house like a week ago. But it's like the same concept, but this one is very see-through. Can you see that? Yeah. I don't know what I'd wear underneath, but thank you, China, for finally sending me this a year later. But this one's from Meshki, I think, and it holds up a little better. I also think I'm totally wearing it upside down.
Okay, it's Remchella Day. We're going to pick up the cake at Cake and Art Cheeseburger. We're not getting that though.
Remchella, we're gonna get that one.
Oh, the hot dog.
We got an Alice in Wonderland.
What? How do you even eat that?
I don't know. Heck no.
Happy birthday. We want the spirits to come home.
Oh my god, look at Remy's cake.
I think we messed up on what cake to get her. We should have gotten her the Ariana.
We should have got her the Ariana. Alright, Sarah, don't drop it.
Oh my god, no pressure. Don't worry, Remy, I got you. I wouldn't let you down.
I might let you down though.
We don't trust Eli. The cake is safe.
Alright, we're good, guys.
Next time on Remchella. Apparently there's a surprise and I need to sit. I don't know. Who is this surprise from?
We'll cut to the surprise right now. Boom.
Hit it, DJ.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing the first part of the Road to Remchella series. As you can see, got a little crazy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to come back to the next video if you guys want to see more of the behind the scenes of what went into this huge party. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.